Okay, students. Today we are going to discuss about units of rate constant for different order of reaction. Suppose one reaction follows zero order, again second reaction or another reaction follows first order or second order. So what would be the unit of rate constant for that particular reaction which follows different kind of order for reaction which by which it's proceed. Okay, so suppose in this concept, if I will consider n equal to order of reaction. What is n? N is OOR, and one general phenomenon, general rate representation or rate law for any reaction which is nth order. Nth can be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So R equal to K, R equal to K, A to the power or raised it is kitna n. N can be 0, n can be 1, n can be 2. So what would be the unit of rate constant for different kinds of order, right? So I can arrange like K equal to R upon A to the power n. What is R? R is rate. What is A? A is in square bracket which represent molar concentration of reactant, which represent molar concentration of reactant, and if suppose it is concentration, and if further I will take concentration as mole per liter or molarity concentration, so it would be further implemented as we will continue right now. So rate is nothing but, what is rate? Again, if we are going to decide, if we are going to design rate further, the rate is change in concentration per unit time. We already studied about rate in average rate of reaction, in instantaneous rate of reaction. Rate means change in concentration of reactant with respect to time, or change in concentration of product with respect to time. As time proceed, time move ahead, how much concentration of that particular reactant or particular product is going to be changed. That means reactant is increasing, concentration of reactant is increasing as reaction go in further direction, and product concentration is increasing right now. So change in concentration per unit time is nothing but it is rate, and again it is divided by concentration. What is concentration? A to the power n. So concentration or change in concentration, it is mole per liter or molarity with respect to time, and again concentration is mole per liter with respect to K. We have to find unit of rate constant, right? So I can design one unique formula for all kind of units of rate constant for different kinds or different types of order of reaction. So K equal to mole per liter or mole liter inverse divided by time into mole per liter n. Suppose order is 0, so if I will put 0 here, the value comes like this now. If n equal to 1, this term will gonna cancel, so 1 upon time, and if n equal to 2, this term will be like this. Okay, so for time you can consider time equal, it can be second, it can be minute, it can be hour, it can be day, it can be year, it can be decade. It's as per examiner willing that how he is going to ask. Okay, so further and final formula for rate unit of rate constant for zero order, it is mole per liter per second. For first order it is second inverse, and for second order mole inverse liter second inverse. Now if you will say that why we are solving this, why we are studying this. Students, this concept is very much important as the concept was in order of reaction or rate law. See, he will not give hint that reaction is zero order, first order or second order, but with the help of unit of rate constant you can directly find that examiner is asking about zero order, first order or second order. Suppose in a certain question the language is like this, कि for particular reaction, or if A gives B, and this is for this particular pathway, unit of rate constant is, or value of rate constant is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. Means second inverse it is hint for zero order. Means examiner नहीं बताएगा आपको कि reaction follows which order, but with the help of unit of rate constant you can directly design, you can directly go for that particular order of reaction. So don't remember unit, just remember this design, this final formula, and you whatever you can calculate, you want to calculate for zero order, first order, second order, third order, whatever, but at least you must know about zero order and first order. What is the unit of zero order? What is the unit of first order of rate constant in particular chemical reaction in this chapter. So it's all about units of rate constant. Just remember this formula, not all the concept. N equal to 0. If order equal to 0, unit will be mole per liter per second. If order equal to 1, unit will be second inverse. Or if you don't want to remember this one, you can treat this is as Guru mantra, major formula, Guru formula, and with the help of this formula you can design all units of rate constant for that particular zero order, first order or second order. So that's it about rate constant. Further we will discuss in detail for zero order, for first order, for half-life period, what is the graph behind this, as this year 2020 graph of first order reaction is asked. Okay, so we will continue and we will see how we can do well or do good job for this chapter. So thank you very much. It's done for units of rate constant. Thank you.